Hi, this is Joe Sindler, and welcome to Motivate Everybody to Jesus. On this episode, I did some outside stuff, seeing the works of God. It's amazing what he does, what he can do. And by chance, I was out there I just did some pictures. I was on my way back and came across one of my subscribers. So, Dale, yeah, good to meet you, man. I mean, that was like sheer coincidence, but it was a good meeting with him. I mean, this one, I really wanted to get the pictures of the and video of the outside leaves coming out. I just think it looks beautiful out there. I just love coming out here to make videos. I'm on the edge down so I can still hear some traffic, but it's so beautiful. I mean, all the green and blue sky and the clouds, which aren't very, well, as you can see behind me, they're not very, like, dense clouds. Our God is an awesome God. This is amazing. I mean, I've been around before and took some pictures of some dandelions. Most people there are weed, so just more. Well, I took some up close, personal picture of one. I think they're pretty, pretty, pretty. They're very pretty. I mean, the sun's frogs is riveting, and the wind and the birds chirping. It's very nice out here. I think it's 77 degrees out. For all of you that follow backpacking with Buckley, I'm kind of jealous. Kind of a lot. I have to go on this electric scooter with a joystick just to get around. Because I'm disabled. And I can still enjoy Earth, the sounds of nature. I like it. So you're enjoying nature. this episode here. I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did making it. Getting outside is great. So, until next time, God bless you.